So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add bullet points on the Pages iPhone application. So once the app is opened up, if I were to go ahead and type in some text here, so let's just go bullet 1, bullet 2, etc. There's no bullet points. Now, if you want to just make it simple, go ahead, double tap what you want to double tap. So I'll just highlight the entire thing right here. On this sort of bar in the middle where it opens up, sort of the second option from the right, there's those bullet points. Press on that. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and actually see the bullet points here. So if I were to go down, you can do bullets, bullet big, image, etc. So if I were to just go ahead and press bullets right here, it then turns into bullet points. So if I were to zoom in a little bit, there's bullet points. If I were to press return, another bullet point opens up, and you guys get the point. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how to add bullet points to your page here on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.